The following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a snow squall warning for Outagamie County until 6 p.m. At 5:09 p.m., a dangerous snow squall producing thunder, snow, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning was located near Rose Lawn, which is 13 miles south of Seymour, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: you are in a life-threatening situation. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Poor visibility and heavy snow will result in injuries or loss of life. Source: law enforcement. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel. This includes Interstate 41 between mileposts 144.6 and 161.1. Locations impacted include Oneida, Freedom, Macville, Black Creek, Navarino Wildlife Area, Bear Creek, High Cliff State Park, Seymour, Outagamie County Airport, Center Valley, and Outagamie County Fairgrounds. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions, especially during night when visibilities will be reduced to a quarter of a mile. Do not wait for the sound of thunder before moving indoors. Take cover now. Repeating, a snow squall warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county: Outagamie, Wisconsin.